प्रणाम माय डियर स्टूडेंट। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 5.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। इसे पहले वाले वीडियो में हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके थे एक्सरसाइज 5.1 के सारे क्वेश्चन और इंट्रोडक्शन। नाउ अब हम आते हैं बेटा एक्सरसाइज 5.2 पे। कहता है बेटा विच इन द फॉलोइंग इन द टेबल गिवन दैट ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, डी इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड ए एन बी द nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी। ये आपका टेबल गिवन है बेटा। इसमें आपको कुछ कुछ गिवन है। क्या क्या गिवन है बेटा? आपको ए डिनोट फॉर द फर्स्ट डिफरेंस, D denote for the common difference and N denote for the number of the term, कौन से नंबर की टर्म है, और AN denote for the nth टर्म। इसकी हेल्प से आपको बताना है कि यहाँ पर जो फिलअप करना है यानी कि जो भाग खाली है उसको भरना। तो कैसे करेंगे हम? इसके रिगार्डिंग एक फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल होता है, वो चीज सीखते हैं। ध्यान दें और रिपीट आफ्टर मी। AN इज इक्वल्स टू A प्लस का N माइनस का 1 इंटू डी। व्हाट? एक फॉर्मूला है, कौन सा? बोलो। AN, रिपीट आफ्टर मी। AN इक्वल्स टू A प्लस का N माइनस 1 इंटू डी। AN इज इक्वल्स टू A प्लस N माइनस 1 इंटू डी। अब यहां सर AN, A और N माइनस का 1 और D क्या है? एक AP कंसिडर करते हैं। AP बेटा जैसे कि 2 4 6 8, ठीक है, और ये 10 और 12 13 14 और 16, ये मेरी एपी है। ठीक है, ये एपी 2 से स्टार्ट है, 16 पे खत्म हो गई कहानी। अब सबसे पहले आप जानते हो बेटा जो फर्स्ट टर्म है विच इज ए एट हेयर। नाउ वी नो दैट एन, हमको कौन से नंबर की टर्म निकालनी है, दैट इज एन एट हेयर। सो एन क्या होगा? देखो अगर हम एट्थ की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जो एट्थ एपी के अंदर जो एट्थ है वो कौन से नंबर पे आ रहा है। तो आप गिनोगे कैसे बेटा? 1 2 3 4। व्हाट? 1 2 3 4, ये हमारा एन आ जाएगा। और रिगार्डिंग द कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है बेटा? इन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है, दैट इज अवर कॉमन डिफरेंस। सो 8 माइनस का 6, व्हाट वी गेटेड? द 2 एट हियर। सो कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा क्या हो गया? डी। आपको ए समझ में आ गया? डी क्या होता है? इन दोनों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस, यानी कि सभी में देखोगे सभी के अंदर दो दो का कॉमन डिफरेंस आ रहा है। 2 और 4 का कॉमन डिफरेंस 2 है। 4 और 6 का डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? ये भी 2 का। 8 और 10 का ये भी। तो डी समझ में आ गया यहाँ पर। नाउ अब बात करते हैं एन की। एन होता है जोन से नंबर की टर्म निकालनी होती है। जोन से नंबर की टर्म निकालनी होती है उसको एन बोला जाता है। नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दैट, 12 कौन से नंबर की टर्म है? सो इफ यू कैलकुलेट दैट, 2 4 6 8 10 12, तो 12 जो आ रहा है 1 2 3 4 5 6, सिक्स्थ नंबर की टर्म हमारी क्या है? ये हमारा ए एन। अगर हम निकालना चाहेंगे ए सिक्स्थ पे क्या आने वाला है, तो ए यहाँ पर एन क्या होगा मेरा? 6। क्लियर है? तो करके देखते हैं। ए 6, एन की जगह क्या रखा हमने? 6 रखा। ए कितना है बेटा हमारा? ए है 2। एन की बात करें तो हमको कौन से नंबर की टर्म निकालनी है? सिक्स्थ नंबर की टर्म निकालनी है। मान लेते हैं अभी हमको पता नहीं है कि सिक्स्थ नंबर की टर्म वो 12 है, हमको नहीं पता। तो हम मान लेते हैं कि हमको सिक्स्थ नंबर की टर्म है, तो हमारा एन क्या हो जाएगा? 6 है। ठीक है, ए कॉमन डिफरेंस है, सॉरी ए हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म है जो कि क्या है? 2 है। एन ये 6 होगा। कॉमन डिफरेंस की बात करें तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सभी में कितने का कॉमन डिफरेंस आ रहा है? 2 का। यहाँ तक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? तो 2 प्लस का 6 माइनस का 1, 6 माइनस का 1 यानी कि 5 इंटू 2। तो देखो 2 प्लस का 5 टू जा बेटा 10। सो हमारे कितना आया? A6 की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 12 आया। तो फॉर्मूले का इस्तेमाल करना, ये बात यहाँ तक समझ में आई कि नहीं आई? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इसके रिगार्डिंग? और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ठीक है, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं बेटा। इधर बेटा हमको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स पे सॉल्व करना है। हम हमारे पास फर्स्ट पार्ट को हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले अगर बोर्ड में ऐसा है तो लिखना गिवन। गिवन क्या है मेरा? फर्स्ट टर्म। फर्स्ट टर्म। कॉपी और पेन अपने साथ लेके बैठना और जैसे जैसे प्रेजेंटेशन में लिखवाऊं बोर्ड में भी वैसी का वैसे ही करना है। A which is equals to 7, D, that is D is the common difference at here. Common difference, D कॉमन डिफरेंस हो गया बेटा 3। N कौन से नंबर की टर्म है? यानी कि 8। और हमको क्या निकालना? AN तो निकालना है। ये लास्ट टर्म भी होती है कई बार, कई बार लास्ट टर्म नहीं भी होती है। सर कैसे? आगे क्वेश्चन आएंगे तब समझ जाएंगे बेटा कैसे इसका इस्तेमाल होता है। हमको ये निकालना है। सो आप बोर्ड का प्रेजेंटेशन में इतना कर लिया, फिर लिखना वी नो दैट, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, वी नो दैट, हम जानते हैं क्या, ए एन, रिपीट आफ्टर मी, ए एन इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस का n माइनस वन इंटू डी। वट? ए एन इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस n माइनस वन इंटू डी। नाउ ए एन निकालना है आपको, तो ए कितना है? एक मेरा है 7, n की बात करूं तो n होगा 8 माइनस का 1, और d, d कितना दे रखा है? 3 दे रखा है बेटा। क्लियर है यहाँ तक? 7, 8 माइनस का 1 विच इज 7 इंटू 3, 7 3 जा 21, 21 प्लस का, देखो 7 3 जा 21, 21 प्लस का 7 विच इज इक्वल टू 28। तो ए एन की वैल्यू कितनी है बेटा आपकी? 28। यहां तक आया कि नहीं बेटा? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है बेटा? ए एन कितना आया मेरा? 28। सो लिख देना 28। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा। यहाँ पर गिवन क्या है? ए गिवन है विच इज -18। आपको कॉमन डिफरेंस इन निकालना है, और एन आपको दे रखा है बेटा 10, ए एन दे रखा है 0। तो यहाँ पर लिखना वी नो दैट, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं। इस चीज को पूरा पोर्शन जो है ना इधर का, जैसे हमने ए निकाला है, ये निकाला है, ये पूरा पोर्शन आप इधर की तरफ लिखना, ठीक है? इधर की तरफ। वी नो दैट ए एन इज इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा? ए प्लस का n माइनस वन इंटू डी। यहां तक बात समझ में आई कि नहीं बेटा? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? ए एन बेटा कितना होगा? 0, ए कितना? माइनस का 18, n यानी कि 10 माइनस वन, और कॉमन डिफरेंस हमको निकालना है। अगर ये -18 अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाएगा तो क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव का हो जाएगा बेटा। सो 18, 10 माइनस का 1 विच इज 9, और ये क्या हो जाएगा? डी। देखो ये जो माइनस का 18 है वो कहाँ गया? इधर गया, ठीक है? तो माइनस का 18 इधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा। और 10 माइनस का 1 विच इज 9 इंटू डी। आए बात कि नहीं आया बेटा? और 9 कहाँ जाएगा बेटा? डिवाइड में। सो 18 बाई 9, तो कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा बेटा? डी की वैल्यू यहाँ से 2 आ जाएगा। सो आंसर क्या बेटा यहाँ पर? 2। थर्ड वन देखते हैं बेटा इसका हम। यहाँ पर हमको ए निकालना है, डी आपको दे रखा है -3, एन की वैल्यू बेटा 18, और ए एन आपको कितना है? -5 दे रखा है। लिखे ना फॉर्मूला क्या लगेंगे? वी नो दैट, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं। क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? ए एन इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस का n माइनस का 1 इंटू डी। ए अपना निकालना है, और ए एन कितना है? -5। एन की वैल्यू, यहाँ पर कितनी गिवन है? 18 माइनस का 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा कितना है? -3। ठीक है? यहाँ तक -5 ए, और 18 माइनस का 1 विच इज 17 -3। तो बेटा ए प्लस का 17 3 जा कितना होता है? 51 होता है, और साइन क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव का। अब ये माइनस का 51 अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाता है तो कितना आएगा बेटा आंसर हमारा? प्लस हो जाएगा। और यहां से माइनस का 5 प्लस का 51, व्हाट वी गेटेड 46। ए की वैल्यू कितनी है बेटा हमारी? 46। इसको नोट डाउन करिए। एक बार आंसर चेक कर लेते हैं बेटा इसका। आई थिंक दिस इज अ थर्ड वन। हाँ बेटा राइट, ये ठीक है बेटा। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन बेटा इसी का फोर्थ पार्ट। ए अपना कितना है? माइनस का 18.9, डी यानी कि 2.5, एन, और ए एन कितना है? 3.68 है। फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगाना? लगाना वी नो दैट, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं क्या? ए एन इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस का n-1 इंटू डी। ए एन कितना है? 3.6 है ना बेटा, तो लिखो 3.6 एट हियर। ए कितना है बेटा हमारा? माइनस का 18.9, n माइनस का 1, और कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना है? 2.5। सिंपल। नाउ माइनस का 18.9 ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाएगा तो क्या होगा हमारा? पॉजिटिव का बन जाएगा। 3.6 प्लस का 18.9, n माइनस का 1, और ये कितना आएगा? 2.5। इसको अगर प्लस करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? देखो 18.9 और 3.6, 9 और 6 व्हेन वी एडेड व्हाट वी गेटेड द 15 एट हियर, और 8 और 1 9, 9 और 3, 9 और 3 होगा 12, दैट इज 1 प्लस का 1 2, सो कितना है? 2 2.5 n माइनस 1 इंटू 2.5। यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है क्या? अब देखो बेटा, ये मल्टीप्लाई में है, कहाँ जाएगा बेटा? डिवाइड में। सो 2.25 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.5 इज इक्वल्स टू n माइनस का 1। अब 2.25 अपॉन में 2.5 इज इक्वल्स टू n माइनस का 1। कई बार बच्चों को इस कैलकुलेशन में डाउट होता है कि सर हम कैसे करें ऐसी कैलकुलेशन। देखो सिंपल सा, पॉइंट हटेगा नीचे आएगा 10, नीचे से पॉइंट हटेगा ऊपर भी आएगा 10। ठीक है, अब ये 10 से 10 कैंसिल आउट हो चुका है। ऊपर क्या है? 225 आया, नीचे क्या आ गया? 25। तो 225 और नीचे 25 इक्वल्स टू n माइनस का 1। अगर इसे कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो ये 9 टाइम पे कैंसिल आउट होगा। 25 के टेबल में 9 टाइम पे आता है। देखो 25 के टेबल में 10 बार पे क्या आएगा? 250 आएगा, और 9 बार पे यानी कि 25 कम, तो हमारा 9 बार पे क्या आएगा? 225 आ गया। 9, ये माइनस का 1 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जाएगा तो क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव का। n की वैल्यू यहां से क्या निकलेगी? n की वैल्यू आई 10। क्लियर है कि नहीं कॉन्सेप्ट यहां तक बेटा? डाउट है कोई? कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन। नाउ इट हियर, a कितना है बेटा यहाँ पर? मेरा 3.5, d कितना है बेटा? 0, n कितना है बेटा? 105, और a n कितना है? मेरा क्वेश्चन मार्क है। ठीक है, नाउ a n क्या होता है मेरा? a प्लस का n माइनस का 1 इंटू डी। क्लियर है? a कितना आएगा बेटा? 3.5, n 105 माइनस का 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस बेटा 0 का, और a n कितना आएगा अभी नहीं पता। 3.5 अगर हम 105 में से 1 को माइनस करते हैं तो कितना आएगा? 104 इंटू 0। और किसी भी नंबर की अगर मल्टीप्लाई हम 0 से करते हैं तो क्या निकल के आएगा? 0। सिंपल। 0 इंटू वट एवर number it is, so it become the 0. So at here it is a 3.5 at here. Now an कितना आएगा बेटा? 3.5। एनी डाउट? क्लियर है यहाँ तक कॉन्सेप्ट? सेकंड क्वेश्चन का बेटा फर्स्ट पार्ट देखते हैं। कहता है 30th टर्म ऑफ द एपी, 30th टर्म यानी कि 830 क्या होगा? पूछा है क्वेश्चन में। चलो देखते हैं। हमारे पास और क्या गिवन है इस एपी के अंदर? हमको ए पता है क्या? ए हमारा क्या होगा? 10 होगा कि नहीं होगा? क्योंकि सीरीज क्या है? 10 है, 7 है, 4 है, और सो ऑन चलता जाता है। तो ए क्या निकलेगा यहाँ से बेटा? 10 है। ये आपका एमसीक्यू है तो प्रेजेंटेशन की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती है, आप डायरेक्टली इसको कर सकते हो बेटा। डी की बात करें तो डी क्या होगा? a2 माइनस का a1 होता है, और a2 क्या होगा? यहाँ पर ये होगा, और a1 हमारा ये रहा। सो a2 कितना? 7 माइनस का 10 विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस का 3। क्योंकि देखो आगे प्लस है, प्लस और माइनस होता है माइनस, तो 10 में से 10 में से 7 गया तो कितना हो जाए? 3 बचा। और बिगेस्ट डिजिट इज व्हाट? द 10 एट हियर व्हेन सो 10 के आगे साइन कौन सा है? in front of the 10, what is the sign at here? The minus. So we write it the minus sign at here. Got it? 830. We know that the formula of an is what? The a plus ka n minus ka 1 into d. A is whatever the 10, n which विच नंबर वी गेट इट द 30th टर्म, 30 नंबर की टर्म कौन सी होगी वो निकालना है। तो 8 n की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या होगी 30 होगी, 30 माइनस का 1 एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज वॉट एवर द माइनस का 3, सो 10 30 minus का 1 which is 29 and minus 3 at here 10. When you multiply with 29 into minus 3 we get it the 29 into 3, 9 3 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6 plus का 2 which is 8, so minus का 87, आगे plus का wait minus का 87 plus minus which is minus at here, and what we get it the minus 77, so 830 is whatever the minus का 77, so option C is correct. Got it or not? Any doubt? Now AP is given that which is minus 3, 1 by 2 and 2. Here A is what? The minus 3. D is what? A2 minus A1. A2 is whatever. That is A2 and that is A1. Now A2 minus 1 by 2 bracket minus A1 is whatever minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus minus which is plus. Now this 2 is multiplied with 3 at here, we know very well. Minus 1, 2, 3 is 6 and upon 2. Minus 1 plus का 6, we get it the 5 upon 2. So common difference is what? 5 upon 2. Now we are going to find the value of the 11th term. 11th term. We know very well an is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. जैसे क्लास में हम पढ़ते हैं ना, तो मेरे बाद क्या होता है बच्चे रिपीट करते हैं उसको, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि यहाँ पर मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो आपको यहाँ पर जैसे आप वीडियो देख रहे हो तो रिपीट आपको मेरे साथ करना होगा। ए कितना है बेटा? माइनस का 3 n 11th नंबर की टर्म निकालनी है एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 5/2 a11 minus 3 11 minus का 1 which is 10 into 5 formula 2, when we cancel out by this number we get it the 5, so minus 3 5 5 the 25 minus 3 plus का 25 which is 23, sorry 22. How? Minus plus minus, when we subtracted 25 with minus 3 we get it the 22, and sign which we taken the bigger digit, which is the bigger digit. Bigger digit is 25 and the sign we stick is plus. So this is a and a11 is the plus 22. So option B is corrected here. Now come to the third part. In the following AP, find the missing term in the box. जो missing term है वो आपको बताना है. A is whatever the 2. This is the most important question which often come in the board examination. And A3 is also given that, which is what? The 26. Now the formula you know very well, which is an is equals to a plus n minus ka 1 into d. At here an we already know that is a, n is what? The 3. So a 3 equals to a formula 2 plus n minus 1 and 3 minus 1 d, we don't know about that, but the a3 is what? The 26 equals to 2 plus ka 3 minus ka 1 which is 2, and the common difference is d over at here. 26 minus 2 into 2d, 26 minus ka 2 which is equals to 24 is equals to 2d. When we cancel out from this number, what we get it at here? The 12. So common difference is whatever? The 12 at here. We know the value of the a, and what we need, going to find the value of the a2. A2, second term of the AP. The second term of the AP is formula is what? A plus ka n minus ka 1 and 2 minus ka 1 into d. So a plus ka 1d, a 1 is what? Simple. And the d is 12. Wait. A is our 2, 1 into D, that is D, or that is 12. A12 is what our? The 14. A12 की वैल्यू क्या है? I14. यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा मैं कॉन्सेप्ट दिखाने जाऊंगा, उसको थोड़ा ध्यान से सीखना, अगले क्वेश्चन में काम आएगा वो। अगर मैं आपसे कहता हूं बेटा an फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट एवर a प्लस का n माइनस का 1 into d, if suppose that n is equals to 3, so we put the value of the n at here. A3 is equals to a plus 3 minus 1, which is d. So what we get it? A plus ka 2d. If suppose that n is equals to 5, so a5 is equals to a plus ka 5 minus 1 into d. So a plus ka 4d at here. Now concentrate at here. If we're going to find the value of the a3, and what we get it? A plus ka 2d. If we concentrate at here, if we are going to find the value of the a5, what we get it? The a plus ka 4d. A plus 4d. यानी कि if there is a 5 at here, what we get it? The 4 into d. Similar thing, if suppose that n is equals to 11 at here, so formula is what our? A11 is equals to a plus ka 11 minus ka 1. Remember that 11 minus यानी कि n minus का 1, 11 minus का 1 यानी कि 11 minus का 1 which is 10, then d 11 minus का 1 to 10d. Clear or not? We suppose that n is equals to 51, so value is what our? A51 is equals to a plus का 50d. You know that formula? If I'm asking you, find the value of a101 term. So what we write it? A plus 100d. A plus 100d. If we ask the value of the 251, a plus ka 250d. This is the formula come out from it here. Now, concentrate the question in which we give, first of all, you have to write the formula. The formula is what? Right now, we know that an is equals to a plus ka n minus ka 1 into d. A, this is a 13 is the second term. So A2 is the 13 at here. A2 means a plus ka d is equals to 13. Clear or not? A2 is what? A plus ka d is equals to 13. Now, A4 is equals to 3, which is what our? A plus ka 3d is equals to 3. This is our the equation 1, and this is our the equation 2. This is our equation 1, and this is our equation 2. If we solve the equation 1 and equation 2 by the elimination method, equation 1, write down the equation 1 and the equation 2, solving by elimination method. Write solving by elimination method. In the third chapter, we already discussed about the elimination method, substitution method. But not here, we are going to use the elimination method to solve this two algebraic equation. A plus ka d is equals to 13, and a plus 3d is equals to 3. This is a positive at here. This again a positive at here. A positive. Then concentrate this line. If the sign is positive at here, what we have to do in the next line, we have to change this sign. If this is a positive, then what we have to do? Take the minus sign. If this is a positive, what we have to do? Take the minus sign. And this is positive, again it's minus. We know very well this is a plus a. The sign of the a is what? The plus. And this a is become the sign is minus. Suppose that plus 2 and minus 2 is what? 0, and at here plus a and minus a is what again? Again 0. So this plus a and this is a minus a is cancelled out from each other at here. Got the point or not? Again concentrate. This a, the sign is plus 2, plus this a is sign is minus. So the plus a and minus a cancel out with each other, and what we get it the 0. And this is a d plus d, and this is a minus 3d. Minus 3d. This is a plus minus, plus and minus. What we get it? Plus minus, that is minus. Got it? minus 3 minus in front of the d, what is it here? There is a plus at here. Minus 3 and plus 1. Minus 3 and plus 1. Minus plus. Now listen to me very again carefully. You know, this number is multiplied also with 1 or not? Sir, how? Uh, just think about any number. I show you the magic at here. Just think about any number. Multiply with 1. What you get it? The same as it is as you think or not? Suppose that another number which have, think of any another number. Think it. Now, multiply with 1. What you get it? The same as it is as you think. So at here, d is multiplied with 1 or not? That is plus 1d minus 3d. Plus 1 minus 3 minus 2d minus 2d plus 13 and minus 3. Again, what we had got it? Plus 13 and minus 3. Plus minus minus 13 minus 3 is what? The 10. Sign which we take it? The positive. So d is equals to 10, and this minus 2 is multiplied with d now. So next step in it, divide. So when we cancel out 10 from minus 2, what we get it? The minus 5 at here. D is minus 5. D is over the minus 5. Put in equation 1. Write down it here. D is equals to minus 5. Put in equation 1. So A plus D is equals to 13. And we know the value of the D is whatever? The minus 13. So A, the value of the A is what? Just wait a second. Sorry, D, the value of the D is minus 5. So A is equals to 13 minus 5. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes the positive. 13 plus 5 is what? The 18 at here. So we know that we got to the value of the A is 18 and the D is minus 5. So the first value of is what? A1 is 18, and we are going to find the value of this term. The second box is A3. A3, got it? A3 is denoted as A plus ka 2D. A is whatever the 18. D is minus 5. So 18, 2 5s are 10. 18 minus 10 is answered as that 8. A3 is what? The 8. The second blank equals to 18, A3, and the first term is what? The 8. Sorry, third term is 8 and the A is 18. Got it? Any doubt? Now come to the next question. Again, it's very simple, but there is a logical sense. A is what? The 5. This is the fourth term, and we know very well the fourth term is written as A plus ka 3D. The value of the fourth term is 9.5. A is what? The 5 is given that into 3D. This is a mixed fraction. 2 multiply with 9. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1, which is 19 upon 2. This is a positive sign right here. We know very well the constant from one side and the variable is one side. This minus 9.5 is a constant and 5 is also the constant. This is a minus 5 and this is a D. 2 multiply with 5, what we get it? Minus 10 upon 2. This is a 3D. A 19 minus 10, which is 9 upon 2, 3D. And remember that one thing, this 3 is multiplied with this one. And next step, suppose that, and this still cancel out from this. So why not? So why don't we cancel out from the right now this step? This is 3. 3 upon 2 is equals to D. We got the value of the D is 3 by 2 and A is what? The 5. Now, we are going to find the value of the A2. A2 is what? A plus ka D. A is what at here? The 5. D 3 by 2. This 2 is multiplied with 5. It becomes the 10 upon plus ka 3 upon 2. 10 plus 3 is what? The 13 upon 2. A2 is whatever? The 13 upon 2. Now we are going to find the value of the A3. We know it. A3 is written in the form of A plus ka 2D. We know A is whatever? The 5. D is whatever? 3 by 2. Cancel out 2 from 2. 5 plus 3 is whatever the 8 at here. The third term is 8 and the second term is 13 by 2. And 13 by 2 is also written in the form of 6 and half. How? Divide the 13 from 2. In the table of 2, 13 is not coming at here, but less than 13 is come at the 12. When we subtract it from 3 by 2, 3 from minus 2, we get it the 1 at here. And it will come, 12 will come at 6 times. Okay. So A2 is whatever? 6 and half. And A3 is whatever? The 8. Come to the next question. A1. A1 is what? The minus 4. Okay. This is A1. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. This is A4. This is A5. And this is A6. I think we already discussed. No. I just check the question whether it is right or not. No. This is not right at here. This 9.5 is in 6. It is a 6 at here. Got it. A1 is minus 4 and the sixth term is 6 in the question. Now, we know the A6 is written as A plus 5D is equals to 6. A is whatever? Minus 4. We don't know the D. That is 6. This minus 4 is come from the right hand side. It becomes the positive. So 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, which is what? The 10. So 5D. When we cancel out 5 from 10, we got it the 2. The common difference is what about the 2? And A1 is the minus 4. Now, we are going to find the value of the A2. What? A plus D. A is whatever? The minus 4. D is what? The 2. What we get it? The minus 2. A3. A plus 2D. A is what? A is what? The minus 4. 2 into D is what? Or the 2. So minus 4. 2 to the 4 plus the 4. When we cancel out, what we get it? The 0. A4, concentrate the A4. A4 is written as in the form of A plus the 3D. A is whatever? Minus 4. D is whatever? The 2. Minus 4 plus minus 4. 3 to the 6. It becomes minus 4 plus the 6 is plus 2. A5. A plus the 4D is written in the form of A is whatever? Minus 4 and D is whatever? The 2. Minus 4, 4 to the 8, minus 4 plus the 8, we know this is plus 4 again. How? Minus plus, that is minus 8 minus the 4, which is 4. Sign we take it, whose bigger digit is plus. So we take the sign as positive at here. Now check the answer whether it is correct or not. Yes, beta, this all are right. Now come to the next part. Here it is A1. Got it? This is A2. A2 is given over A2 is whatever given. A2 is written in the form of A plus ka D, A plus ka 1D. A2 is 38, A plus ka D. This is our the equation 1. Now, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5, and this is the A6 at here. A6 is equals written as A plus ka 5D. A is whatever, we don't know about that, A plus ka 5D. So, and the value of the A6 is minus 22. And this is about the equation 2 at here. Now, if we're solving the equation 1 and equation 2 by elimination method, equation 1 and equation 2 solving by elimination method, solving by elimination method. Equation whatever, 38 is equals to A plus ka D minus 22 is equals to A plus ka 5D. Got it? Now concentrate this line. If this is a negative, this is positive, this is positive. Concentrate the second line. Minus 22 is carry the sign of the negative. What we have to do? Change this sign. This sign become minus to positive. That is a plus. After that, it's a minus. That is again, it's a minus. Plus 38 and plus 22. Plus 38 and the sign of the 22 is whatever, the plus and the plus 22. If we add this number 8 plus 2, which is what, the 10, the 1 is carried forward at here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is whatever, the 6. So 60 is equals to, subtract from this way, plus D and minus 5D. Plus D and minus 5D. We know the D is also carry, the 1 also, 1 is also multiplied with D. Plus 1 and minus 5. Plus 1 and minus 5. Before it, plus minus, minus. Plus minus, minus. Now, 5 minus 1, which is 4D. But sign we usually take it, which one, which value carry the biggest? Is what? The 5 is bigger at here and it carry the sign minus. So we have to take the sign minus sign at here. Minus ka 4D. Any doubt? Now, 60. This 4 is multiplied with D. So in next step, it goes to the divide. Subtracted from 60 from 4 is getting the minus 15. So value of the D is whatever, the minus 15. Got it? D is equals to minus 15. Put in equation 1. So equation what? 1 is what? 38 plus equals to A plus the D. Now, the value of the D is minus 15. This minus 15 come to the left hand side. It becomes the positive at here. That is positive. 38 plus 15 is what? Usual. Add this number. 8 plus 5 is what? The 13. 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is equals to 5. So value of the A is whatever, the 53. Now A is a 53 and D is a minus 15. So the first value, find out the A is equals to A1 is equals to 53. We are going to find the value of A3. A3 is written as beta A plus ka 2D. Got it? And A is whatever, the 53 plus ka 2 into D. D is whatever, the minus 15 or not. So 53 plus minus minus 2 into 15 is what? The 30. When we subtract 53 from 30, what we get it? The 23. Got it? Now going to find the value of the A4. A4 is whatever, A plus ka 3D A is whatever the 53 and D minus the 15. So 53, 3 into 15, which is whatever, plus minus minus, this is 45. And when we subtract it from 53 from 45, we get it the 8 at here. So A4 is what? The 8. Uh, can you find the value of the A5 or not? First of all, we check the value whether it is correct or not. 53, 23, and 8. And after that, you can easily find out the value of the A5. If we expected that, you can do it and comment it when you solve it. Come to the fourth part. So, required AP is given that, which is what? 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on as a 4. The question asks you, which term of the AP is 78? Which term of the AP is 78? We don't know. If I ask you, which term of the AP is 13? Can you find it? Of course, sir. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. And third term is 13. If asked now, which term of AP is 13? So we know that third term of the AP is 13. If we ask you which term of the AP is 18, this is answer is A4. Similar in that form, the question asks you which term of the AP is 78. We don't know, sir, how to solve it. So just write down the formula. An is whatever the A plus ka n minus ka 1 into D. The An is whatever the 78 or not. But A is 3. N, we are going to find which term. Term is n. The term is what? The n. Common difference 8 minus 3. Common difference is what about that? Common difference is what? The A2 minus A1. So A2 is what about the 8 minus 3 is what? The 4, 5. Now, this 3 is, remember that one thing, variable one side. What? Variable one side and the constant one side. What? Variable one side and the constant one side. 78. This is a constant now. When it becomes to the left hand side, it becomes the negative n minus 1 and the 5 at here. 78 minus the 3, which is whatever, the 75 or not. This is 75. This 5 is multiplied with n minus 1. So in next step, it becomes the divide to the regarding the 75. So n minus 1, when we cancel out 75 from 5, we get it the 15. This is a minus sign. So after that, it becomes the positive. When it becomes the left hand side, it becomes the positive now. So the value of the n is what? The 15 plus 1, which is equals to what? 16 or not? So answer is the 16th term. What? The 16th term of the AP is 78. So write on the last statement, the 16th term of the AP is 78. And the question usually asks you which term, yani ki the 16th term of the AP is 78. Got it or not? Come to the next part. Find the number of the term in each of the following. The given AP, a given AP is what? 7, 13, 19, and 205. The first term is 7, the second term is 13, and we don't know the whose term is 205. So we write it the AN is equals to 205. Sometime AN is the last term which we at here is 205. If we ask you, the formula of the an is whatever, a plus ka n minus ka 1 into d, got it? And this is equals to 205. A is whatever, 7. We are going to find the value, which term of the AP, yani ki, we are going to find the value of the n. Which term? N. The common difference is what? 7 and 13. If we find out the common difference, we got it the plus 5. But before it, you have to solve that d is equals to a2 minus ka a1, which is equals to 5. Directly, you have to write the 5 right here. The 7. Now, this is a constant. This 7 is constant. Constant one side. This is 20 is constant. So n minus ka 1. This is 5. Now, 20. This is a positive. This 7 is positive. When it in second step, it becomes the negative when it goes to the right hand side. So 20 minus ka 7 is whatever the 13. N minus ka 1 is 5. So 13 n minus ka 1. Just wait a second, beta. This is a 205. Sorry, beta. This is a 205. 200 minus ka 205. 200 ka 5 minus ka 7 is 198. I just take out sorry, beta. A2 is what about the 13 minus ka 7. 13 minus ka 7, that is 6. There is my mistake at here. The value, the common difference is 6. Okay. This is not the 5. This is a 6. N minus ka 1 into 6 is equals to 198. This 6 is multiplied with n minus ka 1. In next step, it is divided by the 6. In the table of 6, 19 come at or less than 19, yes, or less than 19, 18 come. 18 come in 3 times. So 3. And 18 and 19, the difference is 1. 1 and 8 is 18. 18 come at again, so 3. How we solve it? 198 and that is 6. We don't know. In the table of 6, 19 doesn't come. So it 3 times it becomes the 18. 9 minus 8, which is 1, and that is 8. In the table of 6, 18 come at that 3 times. Okay. N minus 1 is equals to 33. N is equals to 33. This is the minus sign at here. Second step, it becomes the positive 33 plus 1, which is 34. The value of the n is what about the 34 at here. Got the point or not? Any doubt? So question told you which term of AP is 205? Write down. The 34th term of the AP is 205. Got it the point or not? Come to the next 6th part. Here the A1 is equals to 18. A2 is whatever 5.5. And A3 is whatever the 13. First of all, we are going to find the value, common difference. Common difference. Common difference is whatever A2 minus A1. A2 is whatever 15 half minus A2 is A1 is whatever the 18. We clearly seen that this AP become in downward direction. Downward. 18, A3 is 13. It is less enough. So difference is also in negative. This 2 is multiplied with 15. It becomes the 30. 2 into 15, 30. 30 plus 1, that is 31 upon the 2. And here it is the 18. 2 multiplied with 18. 2 into 18, which is 36 upon 2. The common difference is whatever the minus 5 upon 2. The common difference is whatever the minus 5 by 2. Now, we are find the value which term of the AP is minus 47. We know the formula of the AN, which is equals to AN A plus ka N minus ka 1 into D. The A is 18 and N minus 1. The common difference is that minus 5 by 2, that is minus 47. Minus 47, and this 18 is positive, and in the next step it becomes the negative when it goes to the left hand side. N minus ka 1, and that is minus 5 by 2. Minus 47, minus minus, that is no, minus minus, positive, 47, 47, and 18. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is 6. So this is 65, and the sign we take it the minus. Got it or not? This n minus ka 1, now minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. In the next step, 2 is divided here. 2 is divided or not? So in the next step, minus 65 into 2, and that 5 is multiplied with n minus 1. In the next step, it will become the divide, that is n minus 1. Minus minus, when we cancel out minus from minus, 5 is cancelled out with 65 at the 13th time. 13 into 2, which is 26, equals to n minus ka 1, and the minus sign, after that minus sign, it becomes positive. 26 plus ka 1, the 27. The value of the n is what? The 27. Got it? So at last step, you have to write the 27th term of the AP is the minus 47. What? The 27th term of the AP is the minus 47. Come to the next part. Check whether minus 50 is a term of the AP or not. Write on the AP 11, 8, 5, and 2. Got it? The first term A1 is 11, A2. Before A1, you have to write the first term. The second term was write in the proper way. I just write on the proper way. First term. A1 is what? The 11. The second term, A2 is whatever, the 8. Got it? 8 is whatever, the 8. If you find the common difference, D is equals to what? A2 minus ka A1. A2 is 8 and A1 is 11 minus 3. You know, this is a 8 is positive and 11 is a negative. We know the plus minus is whatever the negative, plus minus, minus 11 minus ka 8, which is 3, and the sign usually take it which value is bigger. At here, the 11 sign, 11 is bigger at here, and sign is take it the negative. So in resultant, sign is also the negative. The question told you check whether is it or not. Check whether minus 50 is a term or not. If it is term, suppose that I ask you that 11, 8, 5, and 2 is the AP. If I ask you 11 and 8, I think before in between 10 is also come. So I ask you 10 is a term of the AP or not? No, because 11 is the first term. Got it? 11 is the first term. 11 is the whatever the first term, and second term is 8. Similar in that form, question asks you minus 150 is a term or not. So write down the formula first of all. AN is equals to A plus ka N minus ka 1 into D. Got it? AN is equals to A plus ka N minus ka 1 into D. Minus, write down the minus 50. A is whatever, the 11. N is, and D is whatever, the minus 3. Remember that This is a A1, this is a A2, this is a A3, and this is A4. The value of the n always come in positive whole number, natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, or not. In similar form, uh, is it any number come from 2.5? The value of the n is it possible 2.5 come or not? No. Whether the value of the n is 2 or a 3, whether the value of the n is equals to 2 or 3, but does it 2.5 doesn't come. It is not possible in the AP. That is a 11. In the next step, minus 15, and this is 11 is positive now. In the next step, it will become the negative, and minus 1 into minus 3, minus 50, minus 150, and minus 11 is the answer. It is minus 161, and minus 1 into minus 3. Got it? That is minus 161 and minus 1, and minus 3 is multiplied with that. So minus 161 upon my minus 3, that is n minus 1. And when we cancel out, can it the proper number we will divide the 161 with 3? No. So write down 161 upon my 3 plus 1. N is not a natural number. If we solve all these things, 161 divided by 3, if we solve the divided 161 divided by 3, so write down n is not a natural number. Natural number. So minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Got it or not? Any doubt? Or is it visible? Come to the next question, beta. Question asks you, find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Find the first 31st term of the AP. Sorry, find the 31st term of the AP. We are going to find the value of the first 831, and it is given that the 11th term is 38, and in the second way, the 16th term in 73 is also given that the 16th term is 73 and the 11th term is 38. The 11th term, a plus का 10 is equals to 38 or not? A plus का 10 is equals to 38, and a16 is written a plus का 15d is equals to 73. This is our the equation 1 and this is our the equation 2. Write down equation 1 and equation 2 solving by elimination method. Solving by elimination method. A plus का 10d is equals to 38 and a plus का 15d is equals to 73. This is positive, this is positive, this is negative, and the 15 sign is negative. This is positive, this is negative. This is minus 15, this is 10, plus 10. This is minus 15, this is plus 10. So minus 15 and plus 10, the resultant is whatever, the minus. So minus 5d is equals to minus 73 and plus 38. Minus 73 and plus 38. Minus plus, which is minus. 73 minus 38, this is 13, 13 upon minus 8, which is 5, and then it becomes 6 minus 3, which is 3. So d is whatever, the d is equals to 35 upon my minus 5, and the value of the d is minus 7. The value of the d is whatever, the minus 7 here. Now d is equals to minus 7. Put in equation 1. Put in equation what? Equation 1. A plus 10, and that is minus 7, is equals to d. 10 into 7, which is 170 minus. So A is equals to 38 plus 170. A is whatever. 170 plus 38, that is 208. Got it? We're going to get it the value that A and D, and after that question asks you the 31st term. The 31st term is written as A plus 30D. A is what? 208. D is whatever the minus 7. 208 and 30 into 7, which is 210. The 831 is what? There was some mistake. Just wait a second. We're doing something wrong. D is our minus, that is okay. And A is sorry, this is A plus 10 into 7, that is minus 70, is equals to 38. So A is equals to 38 plus minus minus. This is negative sign. In the next it becomes positive, and which is equals to whatever 38 plus 70, which is 108. So A is whatever. A is whatever the 108 positive. That is A 31 is equals to A 108. 30 into common difference is whatever the minus 7. When we solve it, 108, 721. Got it? Something doing wrong. Oh, suppose that, sorry, beta. That 35 is also the negative. Minus minus positive. That's one is positive. This is a positive. That is also the positive, and it would become the negative. And that D is positive. -38 minus 70 is whatever minus 22. Got it? A is minus 22 plus 30D. 30. Common difference is whatever the plus 7 minus 22, 7, the 21. And when we subtract it from this, we get it the minus, sorry, we get it the plus 178. 31st term of the AP is 178. Got it? Come to the next question, beta. An AP consists of 50 term. An AP consists of 50 term. It means A50. The last term is what? The A50. An AP consists of 50 term. If we write down the value A1, A2, A3, A4, A50. An AP consists of 50 term, of which the third term, and A third, is equals to 12, and the last term is also the A15, because AP consists of what? The 50 term, and the last term is whatever, the 106. So A50 is given that 106 in a manner. A3 is written as A3 equals to 12. A plus ka 2D is equals to 12 or not, and A50 is whatever. A50 is 106. So A50 is written A plus 49D is equals to 106. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2 or not? Equation 1 and equation 2 solving by elimination method. Solving by elimination method. Equation 1, that is A plus 2D is equals to 12 and A plus 49D is equals to 106. This plus, that is plus, that is minus, plus 2 and minus 49, which is minus 47. D is equals to, when we subtracted from that 106 or minus 12, 106 and 12, 16, sorry, 6 minus 2, that is 4, or 10 minus 1, that is 9, 94. So D is whatever, 94 upon 47. Subtracted, the value of the D is minus 2. The value of the D, after that, D is equals to minus 2, put in equation 1. Equation 1, A plus 2D is equals to 12. Got it? And A plus 2, value of the D is minus 2, that is 12. So value of the A is equals to 12 plus 4, which is whatever, the 16. The value of the A is the 16 or not? And after that, we got the value of the A. Just check it. I have checked it. The 29th term. A29 is equals to A plus 28D. A is whatever, the 16, 29. And D is whatever, minus 2, 16, 28 into 2. 28 into 2. 2 into 8, which is 16. 2 to the 4 plus 1, which is 5. Plus minus 56. So minus 56 and 16, 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 1, that is 40. So it's 40. No, answer is not a 40. We got doing something wrong. Beta ji, suppose that if you put we are doing again this solve this again question. A50 is equals to 106. A plus का 49, D is equals to 106. Equation first and equation second. Equation 1 and equation 2. A plus का 2D is equals to 12 and A plus का 49D is equals to 106. Plus plus minus minus minus, and that is minus का 47, and it here it becomes minus 94. So D is equals to 2. D is equals to 2. Put in equation first. Put in equation 1. A plus का 2D is equals to 12. Value of the D is 2, 12. A plus 2, that is 4. A is whatever, the 8 at here. A is getting the 8 and D is what getting the 2. The 50th term in A50 is, we are going to find the value of the A29th term. 29 is equals to A plus 28D. Got it or not? A29 is equals to A is whatever the 8 and D 28 into D. D is whatever the 2. 8 plus 28 into 2, that is 56. We solve it. The value we got it the 64. So that the A29th term is 64. Got it? If this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.